없어도 어떻게든 열심히 잘 노력하고 있으니까 항상 응원 많이 해주시고 사랑해주셨으면 좋겠고요.
Hindi ako sigurado kung kailan ako babalik this year, pero if there's any opportunity, he's trying to make one to come back to the Philippines. Kaya please make sure to send love and support for us as well.
그래서 오늘 본 게 더 기분이 좋고 뜻깊었던 것 같고.
Kaya sobrang meaningful, sobrang heartwarming, and sobrang special na nakita niya yung mga Philippine Carrots ngayon. Oh.
네. Thank you so much, everyone. mahal po kayo.
Hi there. We love you also, Mingyu, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so very much. Everybody, make some noise once again for Mingyu!
Thank you so much, everyone.
And once again, this has been your favorite interviewer and now a favorite host. Ako po ang inyong host for tonight's event with Snickers with Mingyu. This has been